Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. Many of you have been asking how much do entry-level jobs really pay compared to officer position on a cruise ship. Today, let's break it down. Entry-level salary versus officer salary, cruise ship edition. Entry-level salary. When you're just starting out in the cruise ship industry, you usually begin with the entry-level position. Example include housekeeping attendant, galley steward, utility cleaner, and bar utility. Salary range around $700 to $900 per month. Depends on the department, cruise line, and contract. And don't forget, accommodation and food are free on board. So most of your salary goes straight to savings. Officer salary. Now let's talk about officer position. These roles include third officer, second engineer, doctors, ship officers, and hotel officers. Salary range starting from around $3,000 to $5,000 per month for junior officers and can reach up to $8,000 to $12,000 per month for senior officers and department heads. The pay difference is huge, but that's because officers carry more responsibility, licenses, and years of experience. So here's the comparison. The gap is wide, but remember, many officers started from the bottom too. With the right training, patience, and dedication, moving up is absolutely possible. A cruise ship career is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Start small, gain experience, climb the ranks. From entry level to officer, it's a journey that requires patience and commitment, but the rewards are worth it. So if you're planning to apply, remember, everyone starts somewhere, but everyone also has the chance to move up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship tips and guides. See you on board.